Number 3, Kafotrip plans to accumulate 1 million in 5 years to start a small business. The fund earns 8% interest compounded semi-annually. How much would deposit A at the end and B at the beginning of every month? Solve for the regular payment. Then let's solve first A, which is let's find the end. So we're gonna use r equals to f cover cover 1 plus I minus n, tapos covered parenthesis over 1. Ito ang gagamitin nating formula. And sa I is I equals to 1 plus R M2 cover M2 cover M1 minus 1. Then let's find the given. The future value is 1 million, and the rate is equals to 8%, so or 0.08. And the T is 5 years. Tapos yung M1 natin is equal to 2 at ang M2 is equal to 12 kasi and the N is equals to equals to 5 times 12 is 5 times 12 60. Tapos yung L natin ay yung I natin is equal to wala pa. And then let's solve first the let's solve the interest. Plus 1 0.08 12 and this is the 12 minus 1 over ang magiging sagot dito pag sinolve natin ay 0.006558819. Ang gamit kang calculator ay Desmos. Again, Desmos ulit. So ang ating interest ay 0.0006558819. And let's substitute again. R is equal to 1 million, which is ayun yung nasa formula kanina. 1 million times interest 0.006558819. over 1 plus 0.0655819 over 60 minus 1. R equals to 6,655,819. 1 million times 0.0655 is equal to 6,558 over 1 plus 0.6 is equal to 1 raised to 60, so and minus 1, so probably ang magiging sagot yan ay 0.480224, and the R is equal to 13,655.96. Ito ang sagot sa A at the end. And let's find the B, which is the beginning. And ang formula lang gagamitin natin ay F equals to R root cover 1 plus I cover N plus 1 minus 1 over I minus 1. Then let's substitute the given 1 million equals to R cover 111.0065819 cover 61 minus 1 0.0065589 is equal to 1 million over 73 let's solve this first. So I'm gonna use 11.00615819 raised to 61 minus 1 is equal to 73,685,006, and let's solve the 685,006 6, and the R is equal to 13571.27. So that's it. Thank you for watching. By the way, my name is James Christian Izalazar. I'm from 12 Cornell.